guys, today is Mother's Day, but quarantine edition. If you're wondering why I'm whispering, it's because my mom is just outside and I don't want to ruin the surprise for her. Today is gonna be fun. I'm basically gonna take you guys along and see her reaction. I basically filmed myself making the card yesterday, so let's roll the clips. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Open it and see.
Okay. Wow, so nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah, of course. You DIY yourself, right?
Yes.
When was that?
Yesterday.
Oh, okay. Thank you, my darling.
I still have another one.
Oh, wow. I didn't expect so many from you. Wow, can I open this?
Of course.
Okay. So what? Letter?
This
or-
is your present.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I'm gonna make churros for you.
Oh, thank you, darling. I love it.
Love you, Mommy.
Love you too, my darling.
Okay, so now we're gonna start making our churros. And I've actually never ever made churros before. So we'll just cross our fingers and hope that it turns out delicious. I'll link the recipe down in the description box for any of you who are wondering. So let's go! Oh my god, like I can't even scoop it in properly. Sorry Mom, I know you're watching this. I made a mess. Don't come for me, thank you. So here is literally 20 seconds of your girl struggling to pick the dough up. Enjoy! And she finally figured it out. So because I don't have a piping bag and a star nozzle, I put the dough into a Ziploc bag and then I snip the ends and pipe it out. And then I created this method where I use a knife and score the dough in hopes of replicating that standard churros look that we all know and love, even without a star nozzle.
Guys, so now is the moment, the ultimate taste test. Crossing our fingers. Mommy, you can taste it. Is it nice? Yay! We succeeded, guys! Hey guys, so future editing me over here. Your girl just wanna pop in because she just realized that she didn't do an outro. Just great. So this is my Mother's Day vlog and I'm really glad that my mom liked it. So if you guys liked it too, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Links for the recipe will be linked in the description box. And also do check out my other videos on my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm in the kitchen while you smoke outside. You're careful not to let the smoke inside. I always tell you it's poison. I know it helps you take the edge off today. We gotta drink before it's closing time. The one on High Street with a blinking sign.